Hello, Arvind. My name is Prakash.
Hi,
Yeah,
Prakash.
I'm going to be walking you through the whole session today. There are some information that I like to give you before we start. I'm going to read it. Make sure you cover everything.
Okay.
We are asking people to try using our app that we are working on, so we can use whether it works or intended. The session will take around 12 to 15 minutes. I also want to make it clear that you are testing the application, not you. Nothing you do will be considered as wrong here. You don't have to worry about making mistake.
Okay.
As we are going through the application, I am going to ask you as much as possible to try to think aloud. Try to say what you are thinking while looking at our application. I will be a It will be a big help for us. Also, don't worry about giving a harsh comment. You will be looking for honest feedback, which can improve our application. If you have any question as we go along, just ask them. I may not be able to answer them right away, but would be happy to answer them once you are done. If you need a break at any point, just let me know.
Okay.
With your permission, we are going to record what happens on the screen and our conversation. The recording will help us to figure out to improve our site and won't be seen by anyone except from the people working on this project and the people who are going to evaluate it. If you would, I am going to ask to you sign a simple permission form for us. It's it just says that we have you have your permission to record you, and that is recording will be seen by the people working on the project and the people evaluating you. There is a constant form,
Okay.
so you need to sign here. Just have a look.
Okay.
Thank you. Till now, till now, do you have any questions so far?
No.
No. Okay. Before we start, I would like to ask you some few quick questions. So first, what is your occupation?
I'm a student here.
What do you do all the day?
Study.
Study, good. Now, roughly, how many hours would you say you spend using the internet, including web, browsing, email, at work, university, or at home?
I would say 12 hours a day.
12 hours a day. Do you have any favorite website?
YouTube.
YouTube? Yeah. How much time do you spend using online?
About 2 hours a day. Yes.
Okay. Do you attend the online classroom available on it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you intend to take any external class in future?
Probably yes.
Yeah. Okay, great. We are done with the question and we can start looking at things. So, this is our ad.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell me what you make of it.
This one.
Yeah.
Yep. So I guess it's similar to what we have on Blackboard, like Learner.
Yeah.
So I guess it's online classroom,
Yeah.
and it says it's VR and AR. So I guess augmented classroom.
So now log in using the following student ID and password.
So password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6
7.
here. Yeah, I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell what you make of it,
Mm.
what strike about it, what do you think this application is about? So what can you do here?
I guess it's like I told before, it's similar like a learn line, and there's like virtual classes, and so it helps us to study, I guess, and interact more
Yeah.
better.
Who do you think this application is for?
Us students, I guess.
So please don't click anything just yet.
Yep.
Thanks. Now I'm going to ask you to try do something specific tasks. I'm going to read each one out and give you a printed copy of it. And again, as much as possible, it will help us if you can try to think out aloud as you go along. So this is the one. So there is the scenario.
Okay.
Just scenario one. Assume you are the nursing student.
Yep.
You were busy all day today. You miss your class today, so you miss out a chance to see the skeleton of a human. Now, you want to see how it looks like instead of searching it online. So, can you go through this app and can you please join the
So nursing, right?
Yeah.
So I need to take a nursing unit.
Yeah
Then class
using AR?
AR, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then just need to go to AR and this one right there. And yeah. That's the one right there.
Yeah. Yes, done. Yeah.
You're done?
No.
Okay.
Now I'll give another scenario. You are a student enrolled in Bachelor of Environmental Science.
Yep.
You are thinking wildlife management unit externally. You want to join the class through VR. Can you please join?
So I'll go to home
Yeah.
and go to unit.
Yeah.
Then just need to join into live virtual class.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's gonna show VR
Yeah.
recording.
Yeah. Video.
Yeah, and it's 360. Yeah.
Yeah. It's 360.
Okay. So you can have a look like this. Use geography. Okay. If I had a VR glass, it would be
Yeah.
much more.
But we don't have VR class right now, so
Yeah, that's fine.
now do we have last scenario?
Yep.
So you are a student enrolled in a Bachelor of Environmental Science and you have some assignment due next week. We want to add this information in the event calendar.
Okay.
So your task is to try to add an event from the calendar. Can you please do?
So I'll go to home, add new
Yeah.
event, and so what was the okay? So assignment, right?
Yeah.
So I'll write just the title assignment, environment assignment, and assignment due. It's due next week, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll just write in for next week. Then. So next week is 22. So May 22nd. And add an invite. So yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. Thank you. Just can you please give some feedbacks? That will be great.
Okay.
Help.
I just noticed that I put the date like 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
But in the event section, it shows it's 9:30.
Yeah.
So maybe that's a bug in the app, I guess.
We'll try to fix, and can you write some feedback? So
Okay. Mm. So yeah, I also noticed that I misspelled the spelling,
yeah.
but I was trying to correct it, but I couldn't edit it. So I guess there's no feature to edit the events.
Yeah.
That would be helpful, I guess.
Yeah. Just we'll try to fix this one.
Edit option. Let's remove. You can't even delete the.
Yeah. Yeah. We can delete this one.
So it's a work in progress then.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I try the 3D model again?
Yeah. You can try it.
Mm. Okay. Yeah, it would be better if the code was like in 3D, like 3 dimensional, so I could observe every part of it.
Yeah.
Because if you only look like this, it's just the top view.
Okay.
So then that would be a good addition, I guess.
Yeah.
So yeah,
We will try to fix it.
that's what I found out.
Okay. Thank you. That was very helpful.
No
Do you
worries.
have any question?
No. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you.